eighth name expression. Money, power, and success will be the trinity that marks your life pattern and the true expression of an eighth. You have the wonderful quality of transforming ideas into realities. A good memory, well-balanced intellect, and controlled emotions makes you a born executive or manager. Keeping everyone happy while busy is a good trait in business. Your usual tact and sense of fair play rub off on others and inspire them to produce on time. Wit and intellect alone, not flattery or emotional bursts, can impress you and gain your approval. Diplomacy and courtesy assure a happy and successful marriage, a happy life than if you were single, I might add. A large house that permits gracious entertaining would be the perfect setting for you, allowing you to express the hospitality that is so much a part of your personality. You believe that everyone should share in the wealth and happiness that is available in the world, and this attitude precipitates your involvement in charitable or philanthropic activities. Setting the perfect example, you share all you have with those you love and who are down on their luck. In fact, you may be too giving at times. You are quick to love people who are not in themselves able to give love because you feel they need it and it can bring them a measure of happiness and confidence in themselves. Therefore, you are often terribly hurt. Endowed with all the power of the Almighty Eight, you never think small of anything. Your financial depths are apt to be astronomical, and you have no fear of going after whatever you consider worthwhile. Huge sums of money are likely a mere pittance to you, though someone with another name expression would no doubt be frightened to death. This is an advantage. The responsibilities of high-ranking positions are just your meat, and you handle them with confidence and ease. It is only after your financial and emotional goals have been reached that you can enjoy life in the manner you wish. Until that time, you will labor on, never losing sight of the pot of gold at the end of the rainbow. The negative side of your expression can cause great unhappiness if you allow desires for unattained romance, wealth, or power to torment you. Failure, rejection, and discouragement cause you to destroy everything you have achieved, including your peace of mind. Concentration on your ideals and aspirations, positive thinking, and self-analysis will keep you on the right track to the serenity and high position in life that is your destiny. Wonderful things have been planned for you. Accept them with good grace and live up to them. Curb your tendency to allow others to drain you emotionally. Remember, you have the highest of credits in every way, and to be your friend, lover, or mate should be an honor. Don't let anyone topple you off the pedestal you have earned and rightfully deserve. Should they attempt to do so, they are not worth your very special brand of unrelenting caring and should be cut out of your life.